Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send emojis on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add emotions and expressions to your messages and make your conversations more engaging and enjoyable. So today I'm going to show you how to send emojis on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat where you want to send an emoji. Once you have selected the chat, tap on the smiley icon at the left side of the text input field. This will open the emojis menu. Here, you will see a wide range of emojis organized into different categories. You can swipe to the left or right to explore different categories. You can either browse through the available emojis or use the search bar to find the specific emoji that you want. For example, I will type in cake. Once you have found the emoji that you want to send, simply tap on it. After adding your desired emojis to your message, you can type any additional text in this field. Once you are done, simply tap on this button to send the message with the emojis. After that, you now have successfully sent emojis on WhatsApp. There you go. If wanted to know how to send emojis on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send emojis on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.